Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, we're going to unbox an item that came all the way from the headquarters of Ironheart, which is located in Go Sports, England. I ordered this item last month and it arrived 2 weeks ago through the Johnny Air cargo as usual, which is the one that I'm using as my forwarder from the United States. I do my orders with the address of the Johnny Air cargo in Los Angeles, California, USA. This particular item is the ultra heavy flannel western shirt in SAX or SAX color, and this is the very first western shirt in ultra heavy flannel that the Ironheart was able to release in the market 20 years ago. Ironheart was founded by Shinichi Haraki of Japan, and in few years it became a word of mouth because of its good quality, durability, comfort, and everything, which the products cater to motorbike riders, and it became very popular through the years. We now have a unboxing of this item. Actually, this is my first Western shirt from the Ironheart. As you know, I've been ordering from them t-shirts, salvage denim, and sneakers. So this will be my first item or Western shirt item from Ironheart. And we're going to unbox it. As usual, it came with the green plastic bag. And of course, brown paper bag. I have their stickers, 10% discount, and the usual care for the fabric and the catalog for this year, 2022. I ordered size small. I think I got the last item for the size small. That's it. This shirt was first released sometime in September 10 or 11. And Ironheart had a anniversary party on September 11 in their headquarters in Go Sports, England, and those who attended this party were the first one who were able to buy this shirt. It is a very thick shirt. It is 12 ounces per square yard, but because of the dye and everything, this is published as 14 ounces per square yard in weight. And the cotton came from Aspero, which is a place in Peru. And that's the only place where this Aspero cotton is being produced. So the color is very nice. You have black snap button. This is size small. You have the buttons also, snap buttons. Oh, this is nice. It says this is double brass inside and single brass outside. So the color is very nice. It's very unique. Once they release this item on their online website store, the following day on September 12, after 2 days, this item was sold out. So on the second day, I took the initiative to order the last item on the small size, and I was able to get this. This is priced as $375, and it's nice. So we'll try to have it fit. It has a button here, and then snap. It took me some time to decide which size to get, as I know already the size of my shoulder. My shoulder is usually 17 inches, from 16.75 inches to 17 inches, and my chest size is 19 to 20 inches, and the opening at the bottom hem is 20 inches. We're going to try. Looks good. So my size is spot on small for the Ironheart Western shirt. Very nice. So after almost 1 month since this particular shirt was released to the market, it is very hard for you to look for one in the internet. I don't know if this is still available in Japan, but I think I'm lucky to have this as my first Ironheart shirt in the ultra heavy flannel shirt, Western shirt. Very nice, very comfortable, but this is nice to use when I go on traveling to colder places like Taiwan, Japan, or going to the United States or going to Europe. And this is nice as a travel companion. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and we'll be featuring more salvage denim and other Ironheart products and other made in Japan salvage denims and clothing items. So with that, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, positive or negative about what you have seen in this video, please say so, and click that notification bell so that you will be informed of the latest video that I have here in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye.